Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pranavi, for joining in. And today, what we are going to read is Intention and Your Free Will. Oh, just read the address here does today, no? At Intention, Spirit will work for you. When you read of this topic, what is it that comes to your head? At Intention, Spirit will work for you.
Yeah, if you give a proper guidance to your inner heart, obviously from somewhere, I mean, within your heart or your guide or whatever, it works absolutely for you. But the thing is, you should know how to frame that intention, how clear you are with that intention. Again, it matters. If you just go at a vague level, the spirit may not work for you. But if you get the clarity and try to hold the intention in a proper way, the spirit would definitely work for you.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Hello, Mamta. Thank you for joining in. So today
Welcome.
what we are going to read about is at intention, spirit will work for you. When you read this, what do you call line? What do you perceive?
Intention, spirit.
At intention, spirit will work for you.
Spirit means like our own power. Does it mean like हमारा खुद का intention, हमारी खुद की spirit?
Intention in this book is in any case the higher power, the universal power. The so when I read this is about, when you align with the universal power, you get things manifested. So in that way,
I
universe
fully agree.
working with you for
Hmm.
you.
Hmm. I truly experienced this thing because when we have certain kind of intentions and we know that that supreme power is with us, so automatically everything gets aligned for you. If that thing is like you are very sure about it and with a very pure intention you are doing something, so in such kind of scenarios I have observed, so I'm fully agree that yes, supreme power, when that power is with you, everything gets aligned for you. Like for in your today's case, in the afternoon you came in such a around 3 o'clock or something. So how it begins, how it has happened, है ना? In such a shorter period of time, everything managed so well. So that ways everything start working automatically for you. वो कहते हैं ना, मतलब प्रभु कहते हैं कि तुम मेरा एक काम करो, मैं तुम्हारे 1000 काम करूंगा. बट
Very
आपका इंटेंशन अच्छा होना चाहिए. या सो हम हमारा सिर्फ एक ही काम होना चाहिए कि हम उनको याद रखें और उनकी मतलब उस चीज के साथ हमेशा अपने आप को अलाइंड फील करके उस पाथ पे चलते रहे.
thank you. Thank you for sharing that. All right, let me quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together what does the author want to communicate to us today. All right. At intention, spirit will work for you. With your free will, consciously deciding to reconnect to the power of intention, you're altering its direction. You will begin to feel pleasant recognition and reverence for the unity of spirit and yourself as an individual concentration of it. I silently repeat the word intent or intention to help me get my ego and my self absorption out of the picture. I think often of this quote as Castaneda's power of silence, having lost hope of ever returning to the source of everything, the average man seeks solace in his selfishness. For me personally, I attempt to return to the source of everything on daily basis, and I refuse to be the average man that Castaneda describes. Normally speaking, जो हम normal लोग होते हैं, as ordinary people, average person, what we do is we are always away from that source. But how do we come back to the source? We have read earlier as well, the 4 steps of being, uh, near the source is disciplining yourself, surrender karna hai. What was it? Discipline, wisdom, love, and surrender. When you go through these 4 steps, you stay in alignment with, in deeper connection with the universal power. Also, meditation is a very beautiful way to connect to that higher source. And Castaneda describes that average man जो होता है, it loses the hope. तो हम, मेरे को when we read of this, I remember कि जब हम बच्चे पैदा होते हैं, तो how you have seen they are so calm, so composed, और वो ज्यादातर टाइम सोए रहते हैं. Why is that? Because they are connected to the higher sources at that time. As much as they start getting involved in the worldly things, they start losing the connection of that divine. Now, what we need to do to come back to that, to the realization of that power, or to get connected to that power, we have to disconnect ourselves from the worldly things a little, so that we can sit in silence for some time at least to connect with it. Anybody wants to share anything as of now? मेरे को ये समझ में आया from this. Pranavi, would you like to share something?
Somewhere here, the author is telling that it's very common to move away from the source, and he is consciously trying to tell to himself that I silently repeat the word intent or intention to help me get out of my ego and my self absorption out of the picture. So whenever he feels that he is away from the source, he is just once again trying to connect with the source using this particular word intent or intention. So maybe if we also feel that, maybe we can use this as a takeaway also, like
This author is using this word, the intent or intention. As
yeah,
as Indians, most of us have that. कोई वाहिगुरु 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 बोलता होगा, कोई राम राम बोलता होगा, कोई जय माता दी बोलता होगा, कोई कुछ बोलता होगा. We
yeah,
also have our own words to connect back to that source, right?
yes, yes,
So we all know that there are certain, what do you call them, anchors through which we remind ourselves to connect back to the
yeah.
source.
In our system, we take the word as I have a guru, we take the word master. We are not supposed to say that I am taking bath or something like that. Internally, we need to tell that master is cooking, master is taking bath. Everything, it should be connected to the master. So I mean, when I was a young girl, I seriously didn't know the intent of it, but now I'm knowing it. It's the thing that you'll get back to that particular the source or whatever the chakra, the condition over there. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so you would have connected very well when I said if the master comes to your house.
Yes, yes.
Right, good. And Mamta, what do you use?
राम राम
Ram, Ram, Ram,
राम
Ram.
राम बोलते हैं हम यहाँ पे ना, हाँ ज्यादा चैंटिंग राम राम की चलती है.
Okay, wonderful. All right, let's go ahead. Many years ago, I decided to give up drinking alcohol. I wanted to experience continuous sobriety to improve my ability to do the work that I felt was burning inside of me. I felt called upon to teach self-reliance through my writing and speaking. Several teachers had told me that complete sobriety was a prerequisite for the work I was called to do. In the early stages of this dramatic life change, a power seemed to help me when I was tempted to return to my old habits of having a few beers each evening. On one occasion, in my state of wavering, I actually went out to purchase 6-pack but forgot to bring money for me with me. I never forget to take cash with me. This is how the universe starts to work with you for you. Okay, this man decides that he's not going to drink, and he has and because of whatever training he was under, or whatever, maybe he might be going through a spiritual some कुछ तो क्रिया के थ्रू जा रहे होंगे, right? And he decides, and even when his habit is trying to overjack him, या फिर उसको hijack करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, he goes out also कि चलो मैं खरीद के आता हूँ, and he realizes कि अरे आज तो मैं पैसे ही नहीं उठा के लाया. For a person who never forgets to pick money, it is a very big thing, and he will understand that this is how the higher energies work with me, through me, for me. And in fact, when you actually start aligning to that power, I know for a fact that you become a channel through which it communicates to the world as well. Have you seen those people who just say something and that is actually true? उनको शायद पता भी नहीं होगा आपके बारे में कुछ भी, but they say and that comes out to be true actually. That is how the universal powers talk through you. But this is amazing. I like this. Yeah, that builds in a little more faith in that power. All right. Mamta, do you want to share any experience, anything here?
Yeah, I had few experiences wherein the situation was like, okay, it was a worse situation rather. Some political kind of scenario was there at my workplace. And I knew each and everything because that situation was like I was able to see the dual faces of few of the, what do you say, staff members. And कहने को मैं वहां पे बहुत कुछ कह सकती थी, but I didn't said anything. Right? I stopped myself कि नहीं, there is another power, supreme power, and I'm sure वक्त आने पे उनको जवाब मिलेगा. And it has actually happened. Sooner or later, na, that thing works for you. And the same situation occurs once again. And that time, those people who were not supporting me earlier, they worked for me. Ki nahi, this time she has demanded this, and we have to get the same thing done for her. या सो बस वो चीज थी, मुझे पता था ठीक है. आई थिंक जब पहले भी डिले हुआ उस चीज पे, तो आई एम श्योर कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होगा डिवाइन की मतलब गॉड की तरफ से. सो बट लेकिन वो होता है ना कि कई बार आप एक्सपेक्टेशन से लगा लेते हो कि यस दिस थिंग हैज टू बी डन राइट नाउ, बट वो नहीं होती तो हम थोड़ा सा डिसहार्टेंड फील करते हैं. बट व्हेन यू सरेंडर कि ठीक है यार, जब राइट टाइम आएगा तो अपने आप मिल जाएगी वो चीज, तो ऐसा ही हुआ उस सिनेरियो में. आई गॉट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. So, but in that scenario, in spite of there were so many people around me who tried to, um, mend so many things in a different way for me. But मुझे एक चीज पे बिलीव था कि जो चीज मेरी है, जितनी मुझे मिलनी है वो मुझे मिलके रहेगी. Nobody will come and snatch it from me, and it has actually worked. तो वो जो सिचुएशंस होती है ना, वो आपका जो ट्रस्ट है वो और ज्यादा बिल्ड कर जाती है.
Wonderful. Such a beautiful share. All right, Pranavi, would you like to share something?
Nothing much, but then, yeah, at times, yeah, nothing much to say regarding this. I mean, if we experience only, we can feel it, and I don't have. I mean, I'm not remembering any examples as such, but I've undergone this particular condition many a times.
I have something to share, Karishma. In this, that time जब ये चीज वर्क नहीं कर रही थी मेरे लिए, I had lot of expectations कि मेरा ये काम बन जाए, but वो नहीं बना उस टाइम पे. And people were around me, and मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि I have spent so much time into this organization, and all of these people will work for me. हाँ, उस टाइम वो चीज नहीं हुई जैसा मैं चाह रही थी, बट उस टाइम एक चीज जो अच्छी हुई वो ये, डू नॉट ट्रस्ट अदर्स, वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, और अपनी इनर स्ट्रेंथ को जानो। एंड जो मतलब आई थिंक बाय गॉड ग्रेस आई गॉट द विजडम दैट टाइम, कि आई वॉज एबल टू सी द ड्यूअल फेसेस ऑफ द पीपल। सीरियसली, मतलब वो एक विजडम उस टाइम कहाँ से आ रही थी, कौन सी चीज आके मुझे छोटे छोटे हिंट्स मिल रहे थे, आई वॉज एबल टू रिकनेक्ट ऑल दोज थिंग्स, यू नो। एंड बट मतलब इट वॉज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिचुएशन, सो ठीक है, आई एम आउट ऑफ इट एंड आई लर्न सो मच।
There is always a lesson in whatever we see is happening because we need to learn through it and from it.
Yes.
In the few minutes it took me to return home and retrieve the money, the cash, I re-evaluated the free will that would allow me to buy beer and chose to stay with my intention. I found as the first weeks passed that these kind of events started occurring with regularity. I would be guided by circumstances that led me away from situations where drinking was a temptation. A telephone call might distract me from tempting situation. A family mini crisis would erupt and deter me from the potential slip. Today, a couple of decades later, it's clear to me that a firm handle on that trolley strap I described earlier allows me to be whisked along my path to destinations evoked eons ago by intention. And I also see that my free will is paradoxical partner of the power of intention. My awareness of intention as a power for me to reconnect to, rather than something my ego must accomplish, has made a huge difference in my life's work. The simple awareness that my writing and speaking are manifested from the field of intention has been of immeasurable benefit to me. I'm awed by the creative energy when I get my self importance and ego identification out of the way. Before taking the microphone, I sent ego to the lobby and tell it to have a seat in the audience. I repeat the word intent to myself and feel myself floating up to this energy field of intention. I surrender and allow, and I find myself completely at ease, remembering tiny details in the midst of my speech, never losing my way, and experiencing the unique connection that's occurring with the audience. Fatigue dissolves, hunger disappears, even the need to pee vanishes. Everything that's necessary for delivering the message seems almost effortlessly available. Wow, this is such a beautiful space to be in. And I know this is achievable. I know it actually works because there are times when you're hosting a session and you keep on saying something, 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 which you have not even prepared for. You're not even, knowing that you are going to say XYZ things, but they just flow out of you. And that is that intent working through you and for you. Because it knows that how pure you are towards your own work. I still remember we Rise and Shine के stage पे खड़े होके I had the script with my this cards, but when I went there, हाँ लोगों के बारे में जो बताना था I was looking at that, but otherwise I did not even think about कि क्या लिखा था. Me and Archana had decided I will say this, then you will say this, and I will say this, and I was like यार मेरे को तो कुछ याद ही नहीं रहा. And Archana was like करिश्मा तू क्या बोल रही है? And I'm like जो निकल रहा है. And she was like checking the page कि ये कहाँ से बोली, क्या बोली, क्यों बोली. And I'm like I'm sorry about that. and um and somehow whatever that energy would get you through and speak through you would be absolutely, actually much better than what you would have decided to talk about. One of my mentors also say this very beautifully कि वो कुछ बोल देती है and people say कि can you please repeat what you just said? And she's like, पता नहीं, it just came out. Go check the recording, मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या बोला. And it does happen. All right, Mamta, would you like to share something on that?
Fully agree. When I started my spiritual journey ना, so I was learning so many things. And मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था आज ये सीखा है, it is very interesting, ये मेरे ब्रेन में फिट हो गया है, and I am not going to forget it. But sooner or later जब आप उसको दोबारा से कई बार रिवाइज करते हो ना, आपको लगता है ये चीज मैं भूल गई थी, आज मैंने रिवीजन की है, या मैं इस चीज को किसी को एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रही थी, नहीं कर पाई, या नहीं करना चाह रही थी बट कुछ और बहुत अच्छा बोल दिया. इट्स लाइक माय मेंटर सेज कि आपको उतना ही याद रहेगा जितना प्रभु आपको चाहते हैं कि याद स्मरण रहे, और आप उतना ही आगे. एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हमारे वेडनेसडे के सेशन में वी हैड डिस्कस सो मेनी थिंग्स, है ना. All of a sudden it came into my mind, I expressed on this platform, and it was meant to be communicated to you. So it through this platform you were able to receive that information. So it's like that, मतलब हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है, करने वाला वो, करवाने वाला वो.
Absolutely, I absolutely agree. There are so many times when you have to go for some spiritual discourse and you're deciding, अच्छा ठीक है कल सुबह जल्दी जाना है, I'll wear this, that, blah, blah, सब कुछ करोगे और सुबह उठोगे ही नहीं. Because you are not invited there. That message that is going to be delivered there is not for you that day.
Right.
And there are times, so I also go to satsang, and when I go there, there are people so जो सुबह सुबह जल्दी जाते हैं, तो they get to sit near the stage. Okay. When you get the opportunity to sit near the stage, people keep on checking which is the best location to sit so that they can have the best darshan of the Guru. All right. And what happened once was I did not get a very good space to sit. And I was like, it's okay. This was meant to be this way. I'll sit here only. I don't want to make any, chaos or anything. कि यार मैं तो जल्दी आई थी, मेरे को यहाँ मेरे को. And all of a sudden एक आंटी मेरे पास आती है. She tells सेवादार आती हैं और वो मेरे को कहती हैं कि बेटा आप अकेले हो? I said yes. And she asked me to get up and she took me to the first row.
Wow.
And I was crying literally over there that day that I don't know how this happens, but this is truly magical because that day I was meant to sit there. Nobody. So उस दिन के बाद ना एक मेरे दिमाग में पिक्चर फ्रेम हो गई कि if I'm supposed to be sitting somewhere, nobody is going to sit at that space. Whether I go slowly, whether I go quickly, whether I go late or I go early, that space is going to be with for me only.
एंड आई थिंक इसमें ना हमारा खुद का जो एक ट्रस्ट होता है ना, खुद का वो मेंटेन रहना बहुत जरूरी है. द टाइम मतलब जैसे हम वो होप लूज कर देते हैं, हमारा पूरा शिफ्ट हो जाता है माइंड. तो वो चीज को कंसिस्टेंट रखना इज आवर ओन ड्यूटी, दैट इट हैज टू बी मेंटेन्ड.
Yes. That is why it is said that you should keep on visiting. मंदिर जाते हो, मंदिर को keep visiting. Go there, sit there for some time because there are some energies that you should soak in when you are going. वहां जाके घंटी बजा के वापस मत आ जाओ कि हाँ आज मेरी हाजिरी लग गई. That is not the way that you go there. You go, you sit there for some time, you soak in the energies, and then you come back.
ट्रू. एंड व्हाई डू वी डू, वहां पे जाके जैसे हम माथा टेकते हैं, है ना. सो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं और उससे क्या होता है? एनी आइडिया?
I don't know. Tell me.
जब हम माथा टेकते हैं ना, इट मीन्स वी आर सरेंडरिंग आवरसेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ गॉड. एंड द मोमेंट हम माथा टेकते हैं ना, कई बार हम कितना कुछ सोच के जाते हैं कि आज आई हैव लॉट ऑफ टेंशन. हाँ, द मोमेंट यू सरेंडर, आप अपनी सारी टेंशन प्रभु के चरणों में डाल देते हो. एंड कई बार हमें लगता है कि यार आज ये मांगना है, आज ये मांगना है, आज ये बोलेंगे, बट द मोमेंट यू सरेंडर आप सब भूल जाते हो. आप उसी एनवायरमेंट में आपको फिर ऐसे लगता है बस थोड़ी देर बैठ के शांति से उस एनवायरनमेंट को एंजॉय करो, वहां की एनर्जीज को लो। So it works like that. That's why माथा टेकते हैं, एंड मतलब कि हम अपने आप को समर्पण कर रहे हैं।
All right. That makes a lot of sense. And actually the thing is कि जब भी हम उस एनर्जी के साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे, we will understand that it is always working in our favor.
तो
It is never against us. हमारे को लग सकता है, so मम्मी पापा अपने बच्चों को थप्पड़ मार देते हैं, but is that because they hate their child? No. There is something good that they are looking forward to for them. बच्चा एक टॉफी मांग रहा है, मम्मी पापा मना करे जा रहे हैं, बच्चा रोता है, भी लगता है। Why? Because parents have got a big car for that child, and the बच्चा is asking for this toffee, 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 दे दो, toffee, दे दो, toffee दे दो।
just give me 1 second, करिश्मा, just give me one. हाँ जी।
All good?
या वो परिधि was saying कि मम्मा नींद नहीं आ रही है, मैंने कहा wait for 10 minutes.
नहीं, we will wrap up here itself. I am also very tired today.
Okay, no problem.
10:38 हो गए हैं। नेक्स्ट अगर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे तो it will take longer. So we
Okay,
should,
no problem. We can continue. Tomorrow is a growth X session, I guess.
yes, tomorrow will be a growth X session. So
Mm-hmm.
book reading club will happen on Monday, 10 p.m. now.
Okay.
So
And tomorrow session is at 1 or 2?
one.
1 o'clock. No? Okay, done. I'll try to join because maybe I'll be out, but I'll try.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining.
Welcome.
And
Good
अच्छा,
night.
before we go, let me पहले